Check out this nice ride. Fire orange red, 2021 Kia Forte. This is the GT line, guys. GT line with the GT line leatherette. It's got the rear spoiler. It's got the GT line wheels with the ground effects in the front and in the rear. It's got the big 8-inch screen on the inside. It's got technology with blind spot monitoring, lane avoidance, Bluetooth throughout. It's got the GT line steering wheel. Fun car to drive, guys. It's got the alloyed foot pedals. See your embroidered seats with the white stitching throughout. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all, no problem at the Trading Post. We have a program for everyone. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com, to apply. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. 2021 GT line car, loaded up, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the goodies. Here at the Trading Post, family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices, fantastic, nice ride. This is a lot of car for the money. Again, tradingpostcars.com to apply, 828-464-0600. You're gonna love it here. You're gonna love this GT line.